Welcome to this week's trading performance report, covering results from all 5 active pairs: EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDJPY, USDCHF, and XAUUSD. This presentation summarizes both the weekly results and overall performance since account start, including profit growth, percentage gains, and maximum drawdown across each pair. Here we can see the MT5 account summary for EURUSD trades executed this week. The chart displays stable balance growth with minimal volatility. Average holding time and deposit load remain low, confirming controlled position sizing and disciplined execution. Drawdown during the week was almost negligible, reflecting a smooth equity curve and consistent profitability. For EURUSD, the weekly gain stands at plus 2.82%, with a total profit of 70.82 cents and a very small drawdown of just 0.1%. This reflects efficient trade entries and excellent exit timing. EURUSD remains a steady, low-risk performer within the portfolio, providing reliable incremental returns. Moving to the full history view, we can see EURUSD's performance since account inception. The MT5 growth chart indicates a steady upward trajectory without major fluctuations. Equity and balance lines remain close together, confirming consistent profit-taking and minimal open loss exposure over time. Since account start, EURUSD has achieved a total growth of 3.57%, with a cumulative profit of 93.77 cents and a maximum drawdown of 2.95%. These results confirm EURUSD as a stable, low-volatility pair that complements higher-risk instruments like gold in the broader strategy. Next, we examine GBPUSD. The MT5 data shows moderate equity movement and slightly higher drawdown compared with EURUSD. This pair experienced more intra-week volatility, as reflected in the temporary dips visible in the equity line, yet overall maintained a positive outcome. GBPUSD ended the week with a gain of 1.35%, producing a profit of $35.56. The drawdown reached 9.5%, suggesting short-term retracements during open positions. Despite the choppier movement, the week closed profitably, showing the EA's resilience under volatile market conditions. Looking at the long-term view, GBPUSD's equity curve has been relatively flat but positive. The data indicates stable balance growth, though slightly slower than EURUSD. This pair tends to respond to high-impact economic news more sharply, influencing weekly fluctuations. Since the start of tracking, GBPUSD has achieved 1.35% growth, with a total profit of $33.85 and a maximum drawdown of 9.59%. While profit levels remain modest, risk exposure could be refined further by tightening stop-loss spacing or reducing trade frequency around news events. Here we have the weekly MT5 overview for USDJPY. The trading activity shows smooth equity growth with moderate drawdown spikes midweek. Average holding time remains short, consistent with the EA scalping configuration, enabling multiple small wins. The USDJPY pair produced a 1.62% gain, equating to $40.93 profit, with a drawdown of 2.79%. This result reinforces USDJPY's role as a steady mid-risk performer, maintaining balance between opportunity and control. In the historical view, USDJPY shows a consistent upward slope with only minor retracements. The equity and balance remain tightly aligned, demonstrating reliable recovery following temporary losses. Since inception, USDJPY achieved 3% total growth, generating $74.93 in profit with a maximum drawdown of 11.62%. The slightly higher drawdown indicates larger exposure per trade compared with EURUSD or USDCHF, but profitability remains solid overall. Moving on to USDCHF, we can see clean, upward-moving balance progressions in the MT5 data. Equity drawdown periods were short and quickly recovered. The trade frequency was slightly lower, reflecting selective entry conditions. For this week, USDCHF recorded a gain of 2.30%, equivalent to $58.5, with a drawdown of 2.56%. It continues to perform consistently with minimal stress on margin, showing dependable EA behavior in quieter market sessions. Since account start, USDCHF's equity curve remains smooth and progressive. Periodic drawdowns are small and quickly corrected, marking this pair as one of the most stable performers overall. Total growth for USDCHF stands at 3.34%, with $83.37 profit and a maximum drawdown of 5.39%. This shows a healthy profit-to-drawdown ratio and reliable long-term consistency. Now turning to XAUUSD, the most dynamic asset in this portfolio. The MT5 summary shows strong growth bursts punctuated by deep temporary drawdowns. Gold's volatility amplified both gains and floating losses, typical for this instrument's trading profile. During this week, XAUUSD achieved an impressive 18.66% gain, generating $559 profit, with a maximum drawdown of 36.24%. Despite the large swings, the net result remains highly profitable. This performance highlights the EA's ability to exploit momentum phases effectively. Over the full trading period, gold has been the dominant contributor to overall portfolio growth. The chart clearly reflects volatility spikes followed by steep recovery slopes, a signature pattern for high-yield assets. Over the full trading period, gold has been the dominant contributor to overall portfolio growth. The chart clearly reflects volatility spikes followed by steep recovery slopes, a signature pattern for high-yield assets. This table presents all 5 pairs side by side for the current week. EURUSD leads in efficiency, delivering the highest profit-to-risk ratio. XAUUSD recorded the strongest raw profit but also the largest drawdown. Overall, all pairs closed the week positive, a clear indicator of portfolio synergy. Here we compare cumulative results since account inception. XAUUSD's exceptional 33% growth dominates total portfolio performance, while EURUSD and USDCHF anchor stability with low risk, consistent returns. The combination effectively balances high return and low risk instruments. In summary, the trading system demonstrates a strong overall upward trend across all pairs. Gold continues to drive profit acceleration, while EURUSD and USDCHF stabilize the portfolio. GBPUSD's volatility suggests fine-tuning opportunities, and USDJPY maintains a solid mid-risk performance. Overall, results indicate robust algorithm behavior, effective diversification, and controlled drawdown levels suitable for long-term scaling. Thank you for viewing this week's performance summary. Stay tuned for next week's update, where we'll continue to track progress, refine entries, and monitor balance between growth and stability. This concludes the trading performance presentation, powered by GPT Analytics.